if you had to pass on some advice out there for a future collector, okay, now you sell the parts, you're a collector, you're a passionate guy about all this stuff, what one big piece of advice would you give for somebody that wanted a Jeep, okay, and called you and said, hey Matt, I want a Jeep? What would you tell them?
I'd say, first of all, do your research. Research. That's 100% of it. And a lot of people don't realize that the older the Jeep you get, the more expensive they get. And I know the World War II Jeep is the icon. That's what everybody wants. But you know, if you're starting out restoring a vehicle, some of the easiest ones are the M-Series Jeeps, like the M38 and the M38A1. The M38A1s are very plentiful. And also, there's a lot of CJ2A and 3As out there that people are cloning up as World War II Jeeps. But I think research is the biggest part of it. You know, price a water pump, price a distributor, price stuff that you have to keep the vehicle maintained. If you get a really unique vehicle, you're going to pay really unique prices because the stuff's just not out there.
Well, you know, the vehicles that I have, I bought, not only do I use in the production of the show, but I also bought them as an investment, and I just like them. Okay? Yeah. The thing is, I've had all the way from 12, and I'm now down to 3, and my wife is happy, okay, because a happy wife, happy life.
Exactly.
You know, but, you know, for those folks that really want to do this, I think that you're exactly right. That's great advice, but they need to find an honest guy like you here at Quarter Ton Military Parts, because again, what we find across the country, yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Oh yeah, look out for the paint and drives.
There you go.
Yeah.